Today's lesson we are going to learn about Excel sheets, and basically Excel sheets helps you to be coordinated in your business. So let's say for example that you are someone that deals in fabric, or maybe you are a designer, or maybe a tailor, and you have people that, maybe let's say like 5 people that you sew their wears in a week, or maybe you sell the fabrics. You want to be able to articulate, okay, this is how much I am getting, and this is how much that I am spending, or this is how much that I'm getting from so and so person, so that tomorrow if the person should come to you, be able to show the record that you have. I don't know if you have heard of this thing that the best ink is better than the best memory. Think I don't really know if I got that quote very well, but what it's just saying is that instead of you to be writing it on a paper which can be lost at any point in time, you can be able to record it on a sheet that saves in the cloud, that you can even get in the next generation to come. So if you are ready, let's get right into it. So all you have to do is go to your Play Store or go to your iOS store if you are using iPhone, and you download Excel. Excel. So this is how it looks. This Excel sheet can do many things, but I'm going to tell you about the basics. Okay, so this is how the Excel sheet works. So right now I am using my mobile phone to do the Excel sheet. So for those that is asking, can I use my mobile phone to do Excel sheets? I've heard that it's only your laptop that you can be able to use to access Excel sheet. Today I'm trying to tell you that you can use your phone to do exactly all that you need to use a laptop to do. Okay, so what you have to do is that you will go to you will click on this plus sign. When you click on this plus sign, you see there's already a template for you right here, for your invoice, for your gift planner, for your travel expense tracker, but I'm going to use a blank workbook. Okay, so when you click here, this is how it looks. So I'm going to tell you what this icon mean. So this icon here means that you are saving to your OneDrive, that is to the cloud, while this here is saying, do you want to bolden it, do you want to put it on italics, or do you want it to be underlined? So let's write in a particular figure, let's use information to work on it so that it will not be confusing. Okay, so this is the information that we are going to use for this learning. Okay, so let's say for example that this file is congested, you're not seeing boldly what is written here. All you just have to do is you click here, then from this, you see this two line, you widen it. Here you widen it. You see this black line, you just widen it, and voila, it will just shift. Please, I'm begging of you, ignore any background noise. Thank you. So let's say for example you want to copy a particular file. Let's say you want to copy this swap stick to this particular number 27. So it's not called number 27, it's called cell 27. So you go here, you click on it, you see this one that is like a scissors, it means cut. What it means is that when you click on it, this swap stick, when you click on it and paste it on this cell 27, it will no longer be in cell number 1, it will only be in cell 27. But if you should copy it, that's the second icon you are seeing now, you know that it will show in cell number 1 and also show in cell 27. But when you click on this third icon, let's demonstrate it. So right now I'm going to click on the second icon, which is the copy, and then I'll come to cell 27 and I will tap it again, and you see the third icon, it means what? Paste. And you see it is still in cell 1 and also in cell 27. Let's do the same thing. You click here, you copy. Okay, let's work with the first icon, that is the cut, the scissors. You click here, you paste in B27. It means row B, column 27. So when you click here, you paste. So you see right now it's no longer in C. It's no longer in C1. It's now in B27. Okay. So but when you want it to go back to how it was before, let's say for example you mistakenly deleted something and you want it to go back to the way it was, you have to click on this arrow sign. This arrow sign that is going like you, it means undo. So you see nothing is here again but something is here. So let's say for example that someone came to buy crepe material. So all you have to do is you click on the particular cell that you want to write what you just saw. Let's say in cell 21, you just write, you see enter text or formula here, you just click here and you write crepe material. You click on the plus sign and then you come to the B and let's say the person bought 2 years, you write 2. Then let's say that person bought it for 1500. Let's say here is the materials. Here is the materials. Here is the yardage, the yards. Then here is the unit price. When I mean the unit price, I mean like how much one of it means. Then here is the total amount. Okay, so this Excel can also work as your calculator. So look at what I'm trying to do. Watch it very closely. You just click here, then you come to this enter text, you do equal to this 2, you click on it. You see this asterisk sign, it means multiplication. So let me show you something here. Asterisk means multiplication, this slash sign means division, then the normal plus sign it means addition, and the normal minus sign means subtraction. Okay, so when you click on the asterisk sign, that is multiplication, you click on the unit price, then you do good. So you see it gave you what? 3000. So that is just basically the basics you need to know about Excel. So let's say for example that there are many crepe materials here and you want to be able to note the right crepe materials for, let's say for Mrs. Obi, you don't want to be confused. Then you have to go to, you see this yellow color sign here, you click on it. You see all the theme colors, you click on one, you see it has colored that particular place. So first of all you have to take the box sign there, then you click on any color that you want to, you see, that is just it. Then let's say for example that you want to remove this color, remember that all you have to do is what? Go to undo. Okay, so let's say for example that you want to you see here you are seeing sheet 1. Let's say for example you want to demarcate between Mrs. Obi, Mrs. Ada, Mrs. Obinna, but you want them to be in the same document. You don't want to start creating new Excel sheet over and over again. All you just have to do is what? You see this sheet 1, you go to this place, you see sheet 2, click another one, you see sheet 3, then you come to this sheet 1, you click on it, you see, just tap on it. If you just tap on it, see rename, you write Mrs. Obi, click on good. So you see right now is now Mrs. Obi. If you come to this place, you tap again, you rename, name Mrs. Ada, you click here. So you see Let's say for example you want to duplicate this Mrs. Obi. All you have to do is you duplicate it. So you see Mrs. Obi 2, Mrs. Obi 1. Let's say you want to color this Mrs. Obi sheet. You put color, you click on one of the color, and that's just it. So let's say for example that you this thing is the same thing with Mrs. Obi's document. All you have to do is you come to this place. Is either you come to this, you click here, you see it will copy everything in this sheet. This place is called worksheet. But if you want to like copy a specific thing, all you have to do is you go to that particular thing you want to copy, you move this to that particular place. Let's say you want to copy this to Mrs. Obi. Once you have copied it to this point, you click here, you see copy sign. Okay, you copy it, then you click here, then you see Mrs. Obi 2, Mrs. Obi 1, Mrs. Ada. You click on Mrs. Obi, you see it is empty. Then you come to this place, you click it again, paste. You see it is now here. All these things are in the same worksheet. You don't have to start opening and closing it over again. So when you open it, all you just have to do is you click here, then you click on any one that you want, and it opens and you start your work. So let's say for example that you want to add up all these things together. Since you're using your mobile phone, all you have to do is you want to add it up. All you have to do is you do equal sign, you do sum, open brackets, this plus this, plus this plus this plus this plus this. You see, it will just give you the total amount of it. And let's say for example, just be looking at this 21,700. Let's say for example you delete this 100. How you can delete it easily is you clear it. Look at now, it's now 21,600. You see, it's now 21. And if you want to remember, if you want to bring it back, you just undo it. So let's say that there are up to 1,000 documents here in this worksheet, and you're trying to find crepe material, like all the crepe material. You don't have the time to start scrolling up and down and be looking for them. No, all you have to do is go to this search bar, you click on it, then you write crepe. When you click on crepe, are you seeing this number 6? You just click on this search bar, you see it will take you to the first crepe material. You click here again, it will take you to the second crepe material. You click here again, it will take you to the third one. So once you click on it, it will start showing you all the crepe materials that you have. And when you are able to find them, you'll be able to find their cell number, and it will be easy for you. So if you're able to follow this step, you see it will be easy peasy for you. And you know that customers and clients, they like a person that is well detailed and organized. And when you are able to arrange your sheet like this, see that when someone comes tomorrow and be like, I paid you 5,000 now, I paid you 4,000 now, you just go to your Excel sheet and you trace the person's name and say, look, oh, look at the so and so date, oh, what you paid is 2,500, you did not pay me 5,000, see it here, oh. You just show it to the person, and that is just it. And let me tell you, you can be able to share this to your WhatsApp, to your Facebook. You can be able to just click here. If you click on share, so you see send link, you just copy the link, you can send it to a group or to an email or through message, or you can just copy the link and send to the person. The person will be able to see all the things in this file. If you want to save it in your phone, all you just have to do is, you see these three dots, you click on it, you click on save as. So you see OneDrive means to the cloud, to your email. Then this device means to your phone, to the device you are using. Then to your Google Drive or to your SD card, or you can add a place if you want to connect to cloud storage. Okay, so I'm going to save it to my device. Okay, you go to storage, you look for a particular place that you want to save it, and then you click on save. and that's just it. It's just it. So anytime that you just come back, you can just click on it, you see. And let's say for example that you want to rename this file, okay, you can just, you saw where you see, write materials, then you see the name has changed. When you go out, you see materials, when you click on it, you come back, your files are intact anytime, any day. Okay, so I hope that you'll be trying it today, and I'll be glad to see the work and the masterpiece you're going to create with Excel sheet. Bye.